Okay, so that one is Winter Olympics. Then letter D. Diba, remember sabi ko dito sa letter D, the next question is this. In an 8-player event, find the probability that 3 characters from Sonic series will participate. Yun yung mas madali. Kasi nga, diba, remember, in this particular concept, this implies a combination probability. Naalala mo talaga yung formula na to, diba? Yung combine of success and combine of failure times the combine of total. So, in an 8-player event, find the probability that 3 Sonic characters will participate. Diba? And we're referring to the Winter Olympics, not to the Summer Olympics, okay? So, 3 characters from Sonic series will participate. So, diba, remember, there are 10 characters in the Sonic series and 10 characters in the Mario series. And they're going to, and 20 C8. So, this will be our formula. So, the formula will be, diba, remember, this will be combine of 10 C3 for the Sonic series times combine 10 C5 for the Mario series. And divide by the total, which is combine 20 C8. Dapat kailangan mag-sum yun. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So, this should be our answer. The answer is 24%. Next, letter E. This time naman, same as letter F. But this time, find the probability that more than 3 power type characters will participate. In this particular concept, ayan, di ba remember sabi dito, more than. This time, marami na. Di ba remember, in the power type characters, there are 5, di ba? Donkey Kong, Bowser, Vector, Wario, and Knuckles. Di ba? Pero, instead of having 3, they want to have more than 3 or more. So, anong kailangan gagawin? We need to work it out on the combination for 3 or more. And then from there, we sum up all the probabilities together. So, ito yung kailangan namin gagawin. So, this is the 3, di ba? 3 power type characters. This the 4, and this the 5. So, therefore, ito yung gawin namin. So, combine, di ba remember, ilan yung mga power type characters namin? 5. So, 5C, 3. Di ba? Times, how many failures are there? Combine of 15, 2, di ba? No, 5, di ba? Kasi nga, there are still 5 more whom we need to select, di ba? And then, divide by the total, which is combine 20 C8. Yan, di ba? So, yan, that is the probability. And then, we work it out on the other side. Pero we won't type, so that we won't type the formula again, we drag it to see if we get the right answer. So, yan, di ba? We drag it down. So, this will be for 3. And then, 5C4, di ba? 4 power type characters will join. Di ba? Pero, ang kailangan namin sa combine dito, dapat supposed to be not 5. That's supposed to be 4. Di ba? Because 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then this one, that's supposed to be 3, not 5. So, tama. Di ba? And then from there, isum na namin yung mga probabilities together. So, i-type sum, then grab all the cells that you want to sum everything up, and you should get this answer. So, the answer is 29.61%. That is the answer. Okay? Now, for letter F, madali lang yan. Okay? If Sonic is the team captain of an event, find the probability that a red character may team up with him. Ilan sa mga Sonic characters na Mario characters in those games na pula? There's Mario, Knuckles, and Dr. Eggman, di ba? So, tatlo. So, find the probability that a red character may team up with him. That's one only. So, therefore, this is the solution. Di ba remember, it implies the application of combinational probability. Pero sabi dito, Sonic is the team captain. Ibig sabihin, di ba remember, when you select the game, for the first player, Sonic will already be there. So, hindi pwede kasali si Sonic ulit. So, Sonic is already chosen. So, if Sonic were already chosen, there are still 19 more players whom you're gonna select. So, 19 na lang since napili na si Sonic eh. Wala kang choice. So, wala na si Sonic. So, you still need to choose out of the 19 more characters. So therefore, you want to have the red character. So there are 3 more characters to choose from. So 3C 1 times, who are the other characters? 16. Bakit hindi 17? Because since Sonic has already been chosen, so therefore, we need to choose 16 characters na lang. So 16, C, then the rest. Diba? And because, diba, remember, we need 3 more players. Kasi nga, diba, remember, in a team game, you need 4. Pero, since Sonic's already chosen, therefore, we need 3 na lang. So 1 red character, and 2 more other characters that are not color red. So, ganito yung formula. So, this is combine of 3C1, di ba? Times combine of 16C2, di ba? And then divide by combine of 19C3. Kasi nga, diba, remember, 3 plus 16 equals 19. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Bakit hindi 20? Kasi nga, di ba, remember, napili na si Sonic. And you remember, since Sonic's already the team captain, kaya naman, hindi pwede ulitin si Sonic the Hedgehog. So, kaya naman, this is already the final answer, which is 37.15%. Okay? Very easy. Alright, last problem, let's go to number 18. For number 18, it's about my favorite subject called Senior High School. And besides, this is where my classmates are involved. So, shout out to all my classmates out there from Tiongse Academy sa batch ko. And I'll give them a big shout out because I know they are the ones who are helping me. Except for that annoying Ivan Lawrence who had befooled my life for nothing. So, yeah. So, now let's go to the question. Maria Villo is having a great time interacting with her fellow classmates in grade 11. So, that's Maria Villo. Maria Villo is my classmate. And she's a year younger than me. And I would like to give a shout out to Maria Villo. I just want to greet her a happy birthday because I know that she'll be turning just like my age in after a few days. So, Marie, if you're listening to this right now, I miss you so much. I wonder how are you doing? Musta na ka sa kolehiyo? So, shout out to you po, Marie. I hope we can see each other someday so I can get together and share you more stories or something like that. So, shout out to you and happy birthday. So, yeah. So, because I miss you so much, I would like to give you an advanced birthday gift. And the advanced birthday gift is to give you this question. You want to answer it? That's great. Pero baka manay mo, I know naman talaga si Marie, makalimutan mo na. So therefore, let me help you. Okay? Let's go. Number 1. How many possible high fives can she do upon people? Ayan, alam mo yung mga high five? Diba high five, let's say for example, kung nag-gather kayo sa party. So ang high five ay 2 kamay. So, kailangan ka isang kamay, I'm sorry, my hand were there. Tsaka yung pangalawang kamay ay nandyan. So, dapat 2 kamay ay mag-high five sa isa't isa. Wait lang ha. So, yan. Ito yun. Mag-high five, di ba? So, if you can see it properly because I have to let it stand. So, yun. Okay? So, how many possible high fives can she do? Kasi nga, di ba, remember, there are 10 students in grade 11. And Marie will high five all the rest of the people. So, how many high fives can she do upon people? Because, di ba, remember, how many high fives are there, hindi kasama si Marie, pero gusto niya mag-high five si Marie sa lahat. So, Marie is the one, let's say, for example, you are Marie, then you want to high five the rest. So, there are 9 high fives that you can do. Pero, siguro what Cholas, I'll make it total possible number of high fives na lang. Kasi nga, I heard pala, if you want to do high five, dapat it's 10C2. And 10C2 is equivalent to 90 high five. So, therefore, ako, pwede ko mag-high five kay Migs, that's 1. Ako mag-high five kay Ivan, Paolo, Jake, Ainer, Veronica, Kathleen, Marie, and Rose. Then si Migs, pwede siya mag-high five kay, kay Ivan, Migs and Ivan, and then Migs and Jake, Migs and Paolo, Migs and Ainer, Migs and Veronica, Migs and Marie, Migs and Rose, and Migs and Kat. Then Ivan with the rest, and so on. I wish I could list down all the possible values, but this will take a long time. So, yeah. And the fastest way is to apply combination. Kasi yung combination such that they don't repeat the permutation. Okay? Kasi nga when you do high five, di ba you need 2 hands. So you will high five different people. Or let's start muna with your family. Let's say for example ako, since I'm an only child, at kasama yung nanay and tatay ko dito, since there are 3 people in the house, how many high fives can I do? I can high five my mom. I can high five my dad. My parents can high five each other. So there are 3 possible high fives. So therefore, that's 3C2. And 3C2 is, ano yun? Diba? 3C2 is 3. Diba? Combine of 3C2. Tama, 3 possible high fives. So therefore, the answer here is combine 10C2 and you will get 45 high fives. So tama. So 18 kasama si Migs, tapos Ivan with 7 more. So 18 plus 7, 17. Tama ba? Yeah, that may be a lot. I wish I could write down all the possible outcomes. Pero that might be a lot for that. Sige nga, let's continue. Letter B. If she and the grade 11 class will have a roundtable meeting together with Ma'am Rain, Sir Erwin, and Sir Gaon. Ma'am Rain, shout out to you po, Ma'am Rain, because you're my class advisor. Kahit na hindi ka marunong mag-teach, pero never mind. Sir Erwin, shout out to you din because I know, Sir Erwin, you were the one who helped me talaga in my stats and probs. And if it weren't thanks to your help, you would not make me, you know, addicted to stats and probs gaming criteria. Especially right now, I'm filming this for my YouTube video. So, Sir Erwin, if you're there right now, paki-subscribe mo na sa channel ko. And Sir Gaon, you too, I miss you too. Shout out to you po, sir. Kahit na you put me into trouble just because of what I've done to that Christina. But never mind, don't mention about it. Anyways, so the question is, how many seat arrangements can this be done if the admins must sit beside each other and at the same time, the ABM students must sit beside each other? This could be a tough question. So therefore, this is how the round table is going to be done. Let me write this on paper so you can get this idea clearly. So, diba remember, we know this is a circular permutation. So, this is diba remember, kasama yung 10 and then 3 admin. Ma'am Rain, Sir Erwin, and Sir Gaon. They are the admin. If you're going to seat them linearly, of course, this sky blue will be the admin. So, this will be the admin. Okay? Admin. Ang admin, ibig sabihin the mga teachers. So, that's 3 factorial. And then, yung si ABM students, they must sit beside each other. So, that's another 3 factorial. Because there are 3 ABM students. ABM, Rose, Marie, and Paulo. And then, times 5 factorial because that's us, di ba? Other students. No, 7 pala. Because there are 13, di ba? So, 7 plus 3 plus 3, so others. So, 3 times 3 factorial times 7, then times 8. Di ba? Because there are 8 ways to shift. Pero that's for linear permutation. For linear, this will be the formula. Diba? 3 factorial times 3 factorial times 5 factorial, 7 factorial pala times 8. That is the answer for linear permutation. Pero when it comes to circular permutation, this when you need to use a different formula. Kasi nga, in this particular criteria, the admin must sit together. So therefore, Sir Erwin and Sir Gaon and Ma'am Rain, they need to sit beside each other. So therefore, this will be a 3 factorial. Tama? 3 factorial sila. So diba remember, we need to group that. So this will be 1 group. And then diba remember, the other students, this will be 5 factorial. Diba? 7 factorial. So 7 others. Diba? And then we have the ABM students, that's 8. So diba remember, there are 4 Humes. And then 3 STEM, so 7. And then, diba remember, the admin, that's another group. So 1 and 9. So tama, that's 9. So we can seat them in 9 possible ways. Pero, we need to minus that by 1 factorial. So 9 minus 1 factorial is 8. So 8 factorial times, diba remember, the 3 factorial times another 3 factorial because of the ABM. So therefore, this should be our answer. The 8 factorial, I do not know if this will be the right answer, pero they said daw, if you want to do the seating arrangement such that there are restrictions, this will be the formula. ABM, what you call this, the 8 factorial, that will be, 9 minus 1 factorial. 9 factorial because there are 9 groups, 9 people to choose. 7 students from other strands, 1 group for the ABM, and then 1 group for the admin. So, lahat kami mag-round table if we have the meeting. So, yun yung formula. Then, 3 factorial because that's how many ways the ABM students can shuffle. And 3 factorial again for the admins. So, yun lang. So, that will be the formula. The formula will be this. Okay? Product of fact of 3, fact of 3 again, fact of 8. Okay? So, yan. Then, for letter C, it's the same as letter B. You know why? Kasi nga sabi dito, based on the previous question, find the probability for it to happen. So, based on your answer in letter B, ano yung probability? So, therefore, your answer there, you're gonna divide by the total number of outcomes. And the total number of outcomes is 13 minus 1 factorial. So, your answer here, divide by factorial of 13 minus 1. Diba? So, you should get this answer of what? 0.003%. Wow! That's a minor probability chance for that to happen in that round table. Next, letter D. For letter D, Ma'am Zai will let blank students report for their topics today and the rest will report the next meeting. Hint, there are 30,240 ways for this to happen. Ayan, this is a problem involving permutation such that you need to solve for, what is it? Kasi nga diba remember, there are 30,240 ways for it to happen. That is the number of ways, diba? Pero, Ma'am Zai will let how many students? How many students? That is R. How many students pertains to the R? Because there are 10 students, so we're looking for R. So, ito yung formula na kailangan tayong gagamitin. So, we have 10 factorial, 10 minus R factorial equals 30,240 ways. Okay? So, this is the formula. Diba remember, this 10 factorial, this can be simplified 10 factorial. Then, this will become 30,240 times 10 minus R factorial. We cross multiply. And then, diba remember, we need to divide. We need to factor out this 30,240 ways. How do you factor this out? Of course, this can be divisible by 10. So, that will become 10 factorial, equivalent to 10 times 3,024 times the 10 minus R factorial. Diba? 3,024 can be divisible by 9. Diba? 3, 27, 32, 3, 27, 336. So, this will become 10 factorial. 10 times 9 times 336 times 10 minus R factorial. Tama? And 336 can be divisible by 8. How?